Last month, we embarked on an unforgettable trip to Italy. We are excited to share our experiences with you. Welcome to the first video in our series. Today, we are gonna be checking the planning, in-flight experience, arrival to Rome, and how we had connection during our adventure. We'll cover everything, from the highlights to the hiccups, about our Italian escapade. Buckle up, let's dive in. First things first, the planning stage. As Las Vegas residents, we faced the lack of direct flights to Italy. Our focus narrowed down to American Airlines and Delta, both offering flights that were according to our needs. Price-wise, they were comparable. Bag policies were similar, including carry-ons, personal items, and the first checked bag for free. The seat dimensions remain the same, 32 inches of legroom, and you have internet connection only for domestic flights. When you are crossing the Atlantic, you require a fee to get access to internet. Both airlines provide meals and beverage. No major difference there. After checking YouTube and online reviews, we picked Delta due to better service and food quality. No complaints on that front. Long flights demand preparation. We invested in an inflatable mattress for our son's comfort during sleep. Delta had no issues with it, but check your airline's policy. Some are more restricted. To keep our little one entertained, we packed drawing books, stickers, magnets, and other toys. We flew from Las Vegas to Rome, with an hour and a half layover on New York. From Las Vegas to New York is around 5 hours flight, and from New York to Rome, another 7. Delta served meals during the flight. The food was good as expected. 2 options, pasta or chicken. Small salad, cookies, and dessert complemented the meal. Oh, and I even tried the some complimentary alcohol. They offer a selection of beers and wines. I'd get the beer next time. Now, here is a little observation. Overhead compartment space. On domestic flights, it's often limited, but in the international one, it was not. Why? Well, since the first check bag is included, everyone take advantage of that. It was good for us because we had 2 carry-ons, 3 bags, and our stroller, so we had plenty of space to accommodate them. But maneuvering all of that luggage on and off the plane was quite the challenge. Lesson learned. Next time, we will use the check bag. When flying with Delta, we encountered several seating options: economic, comfort plus, first class, and business. Like most travelers, we opted for economy class. However, Comfort Plus caught our attention because it offers an extra 2 inches of legroom. For tall passengers and during long flights, this additional space can make a significant difference. But there is a catch. Comfort Plus comes with an $800 price tag. In economic class, some seats are available for free, but if you decide a window seat or proximity to Comfort Plus, there are additional fees. Personally, I found this practice a bit unfair, especially considering the already high ticket prices. During our flights, we strategically choose seats just behind the Comfort Plus section. For our surprise, the legroom was comparable to the Comfort Plus seats just in front of us. Going to Italy, we flew to Rome, but flying back home, we did it from Venice. It might have been a little more expensive, yes, but it saved us precious time. No back and forth between cities, just a direct route to our departure point. Rome's airport lies about 45 minutes from the city. Public transportation is an option, but we opted for a taxi. Surprisingly, it wasn't significantly more expensive than public transit. For a flat fee of €50, the taxi conveniently dropped us right in front of the hotel. It was a no-brainer. Pro tip: we contacted our hotel in advance, and they arranged a pickup for us. When we landed, the taxi was waiting, and the chauffeur even helped us with our luggage. Our Italian Odyssey. We stay in Rome for 3 nights. We explored the Eternal City and the Vatican as well. And we included 1 day to check out Positano and Amalfi in the south. Then we moved to Florence. 3 nights there. We used only 1 day to explore Cinque Terre. It stole our hearts. These 5 charming towns along the Mediterranean Sea made our day trip unforgettable. Venice, for the final days. Canals, gondolas, and hidden alleys. Venice enchants us. Before we sign off, let's talk about staying connected. In this digital age, reliable internet access is a must, especially when you are traveling abroad. Here's what we discovered. First things first, check if your phone supports eSIM. It's essential for hassle-free connectivity. We explored 3 popular options: Airlo, Holaflight, and Nomad. Ultimately, we choose Airlo for its generous data offerings at a good price. But wait, our carrier, Verizon, surprised us. Their unlimited ultimate plan includes international coverage. For an extra $50 per month, we both enjoy internet calls and texts abroad. Was it worth it? Did the upgrade pay off? How was the connection speed and coverage? Stay tuned, we'll talk about that on the next videos. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If so, please subscribe to our channel for more.